This is Diane Heisig. I will be demonstrating how to use the internal data model found on page 165. It's a picture of my horse Addie. So to start off, I'm going to go to Transaction Master tab. What I'm trying to do is create a pivot table that uses the data in Transaction Master and the data that's in Employees, and combine the two so that way I can create a pivot table that uses both sets of data, which are both different. By adding them to the data model, I will be able to effectively combine them. So to start off, I'm going to select inside my first set of data, the transactions. I'm going to insert pivot table. I'm going to want to check this box, add this data to the data model, because I'm trying to analyze multiple tables. So I'll click OK. Give it a minute here. Alright, and I'm going to go over to the Employees tab, select inside this set of data, go to Insert Pivot Table. Once again, check Add this data to the data model, because I need to be able to combine the two sets of data. So I'll click OK. And now I'm going to, over here in Pivot Table Fields, I'm going to select All. And so now you can see that I have two sets of data that I can pull fields from. So I'm just going to go ahead and expand them. And now I'm going to select sales amount as my value, and I'm also going to select job title as my row. So as you can see here, it says that now that I have a message that relationships between tables may need to be created, or may be needed. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create. This is how I will be able to make the connection between the two tables. So the first table I'm going to select is going to be the transactions table, and my column or the foreign key that I'm going to be using is going to be the sales rep, and then over in the related table is going to be employees, and I'm selecting over here, I'm selecting employee number. This is how these are the two fields that are common between both tables. So it makes that connection so that way each row matches up with another row. So that way each data has effectively been combined with each other. I'm going to click OK. And now you can see that the sum of sales amount has been changed. Instead of having just all the same field, it now has fields that represent each type of employment position. So I'm just quickly going to change this so that the number format is currency, and there it is. I want to add that 2 decimal spots for this one. Click OK, and now you can see that service rep level number 1 is makes 210,000, and the most highest amount of sales comes from the service representative level 2 at 9 million, while team lead level 1 only makes 19,500. So most of your money definitely comes from the service representative 2, and that is all because you were able to combine the information about employees with the information of that's saved in the transaction fields. So I pulled all this information from our textbook, which is right here, the information for that, and then also for the data files, that's the information the data files I'm using is the information up top. Thank you.